Hi folks, we're at Wildcat Pointe in Vonore towards Greenback, Tennessee. And so yeah, Wildcat Pointe trail. So I will tell you, it's like straight up. Straight up. I don't know if you can tell from this video, but it's very steep. So fortunately they take real good care of the trail here. Yep. So I've never seen a wildcat here, but you never know what's lurking in the hillsides over there. So we're going all the way to the top there. All right, let's go. So it starts out pretty steep, and then after a while it kind of levels off, and then it's like up and down. But the first part of this trail, it is steep. So yeah, see how we do here. And then when you come back down, it's actually super scary. All right. So yeah, that part that I'm about to go up on, when you come back down, it's scary. But it's well marked. You see these white marks on there, on the tree? So yeah. Yeah, this trail is actually not too long. It's like 3 miles, I want to say. So when you come up to the top, there's a trail marker, and you can go straight. That's the way we go. Or you can turn to the right, but we always go straight because the trail to the right, we took it one time, and it's super overgrown. So yeah, who wants to go on an overgrown trail? It's not that good because there are too many bugs. Yeah. All right, we're climbing up the hill. See, we've already come this far. I don't know if you can tell, but okay. It's a beautiful fall day. It's not officially fall yet, I guess, but it sure feels like fall. It's like, I want to say 68 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. I do not know what that is in Celsius, but you can look it up. You have to watch out here for roots right in the middle of the trail. Yeah, this is like straight up. Straight up. Okay. So this part here, when you come down, it can get very slippery. Oh goodness. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this is probably the worst part right here. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I'm gonna put up my phone and I'm gonna get back to you in a minute. I think my video messed up. Oh, maybe not. Okay, we went over some little dicey spot there, but we made it, so it's all good. Seems like when you come down there, it's actually going to be easier than going up, because that was a little scary. How'd you feel about that just now? That was a little rough, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Rougher than the last time, getting older.
It's a good thing we got trekking poles with us.
Yes.
Because without trekking poles here, good luck. Okay. Alright, so we made it up here to where the little trail marker is. So this is where you can decide which way you want to go. Okay, so we always go on that one there. It says it's only 1 mile, but I'm pretty sure that's a lie. And this one here, this is a different one. So this trail here is 2.8 miles. But I will tell you at the end how far the whole thing was, but it's not 1 mile. You can believe that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll see you in a little while. We're gonna keep walking. All right, folks. I'm gonna sign off here. So yeah, everybody have an awesome day, and we are going to go down this trail. All right, this is Camino Teacher coming to you from Wildcat Pointe.